So we so so it is an area of opportunities in that sense. We want to acquire some networks. So acquisitions, so M&A could be one area where we would be active in next 18 to 24 months. We should be active in that because we feel a lot of competition will run out of breath in next 6 to 12 months. And they'll find it difficult to sustain. And so we can have a lot of networks into geographies where we are not present currently. So we might want to acquire a lot of small regional BCs to increase our footprint, and that's where we have this our call center and ICSP models will get into picture, and IPO is something which I believe still is around 3 to 5 years ahead of us. More so because we need to have a more predictable revenue stream going forward and a more sustainable revenue stream going forward. We'll be raising funds but IPO may still take at least 3 to 5 years from where we are now.
Where I hope it should be in 5 years is that we would want to be the largest processor of payments on mobile devices, and we would want to be global. We would want India to be a very, very strong market for us over the next 5 years. And we would definitely want, when I say global, we would definitely want to make sure that there are some countries which are demographically quite similar to India. Let's say countries in Latin America, countries in Africa, countries in Southeast Asia, and people's earning, the manner in which they use their mobile phones, their living conditions and stuff like that, they're so similar to what's here in India, that we believe that if we are able to create India as a very strong market, we would be able to make a lot of sense in some of these countries, and we would definitely want to morph ourselves from a domestic remittance provider to a payments infrastructure on mobile devices and make it global.
We have deviated to some bit from the vision of trying to be a mobile payments company, and what we realized, so the next 3 years is we do a lot of money transfers. That's a great business. It earns us good money. It's a profitable revenue line. So for the next 3 years, the idea is, can we go ahead and become the most dominant money transfer player in the country or not? Next 5 years, the idea is to steer the company back to its vision of becoming a mobile payments company. And why I say this is that was the bet which we took. Payments inherently come with one amazing phenomena of virality, of a network effect. But a network of ATMs does not really create network effect. And right now, Echo is a network of human ATMs. And hence it is extremely important that over the next 5 years, over the next up to 5 years, how do I steer the company back to its vision of being a mobile payments company?